climate change is not a distant threat, it's a current reality. Accelerating global temperatures driven by human activity are destabilizing ecosystems, increasing extreme weather events, and threatening human health. One of the primary drivers of climate change is the burning of fossil fuels for energy, which releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide, CO2, and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal is essential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate global warming. The greenhouse effect is a natural process, but human activity has amplified it to dangerous levels. When fossil fuels are burned, CO2, methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O, are released, increasing the heat-trapping capacity of the atmosphere. This leads to global warming, the increase in Earth's average surface temperature. Since the Industrial Revolution, atmospheric CO2 concentrations have increased by over 50%, rising from 280 parts per million, ppm, to over 420 ppm today. This unprecedented rise correlates directly with the combustion of fossil fuels for energy production and industrial processes. The increase in greenhouse gases has caused the global mean temperature to rise by approximately 1.1 degrees since pre-industrial times. Climate models project that if current emission trends continue, we could exceed 1.5 degrees of warming within the next few decades, triggering more extreme climate impacts. The global rise in temperature is driving several interconnected changes in the Earth's systems. Sea levels are rising due to thermal expansion and melting ice sheets. Oceans are warming, leading to ecosystem disruptions. Arctic sea ice is shrinking, with seasonal minimum extents decreasing by about 13% per decade, and glaciers are retreating worldwide, contributing to global sea level rise. Rain patterns are changing. Some areas are flooded with heavy storms, while others are drying up. Droughts are lasting longer, and wildfires are more intense than ever, burning everything in their path. In many parts of the world, longer and more intense wildfire seasons are becoming the new normal, driven by increased temperatures and prolonged droughts. Heat waves are becoming more frequent and severe, amplifying the risk of heat-related illnesses. Warmer ocean temperatures are fueling stronger tropical cyclones. There has been a notable increase in the intensity of hurricanes, with higher wind speeds, more intense rainfall, and greater storm surges, all exacerbated by rising sea levels. Beyond the climate impacts, the burning of fossil fuels is also responsible for poor air quality. Fine particulate matter, PM2.5, sulfur dioxide, SO2, and nitrogen oxides, NOx, from combustion contribute to respiratory diseases, cardiovascular problems, and premature deaths. Transitioning to clean energy can reduce these health risks significantly. The path to a sustainable future is clear. Renewable energy is not just an option, it's a necessity to combat climate change, protect our planet, and ensure a healthier future for all. The time to act is now.